How to fix Messenger search conversation problem not working. If any day you face a problem like this on your Messenger and you are quite frustrated, but you do not know how to solve it, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to search the very Messenger application on your mobile device. You can manually search the very Messenger application by scrolling left or right, or go to the very search icon on your mobile device and search Messenger out there. After you find the very Messenger application, you have to tap on the Messenger. After you tap on it, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the I like option there. After you tap on the I like option there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the notifications and then tap on notification. Here you have to enable allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone and photos and videos. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, you can go to the option of storage and then tap on it. If you see any cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, now if you see an interface like this, you have to check whether it's the very current version or not, or otherwise you can also either go to the very Google Play Store. You can just go to the search icon on your mobile device, search Play Store out there and tap on Play Store. After that, you can go to the search icon and then search Messenger out there. After you tap on the Messenger there, if you see any option of the update there, you have to update your very application, otherwise your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.